What's up, YouTube? We have another project. So this is gonna be on how to install the brake shoes on a Chevy car. On this specific video, I'm working on a HHR, but I seen this system in many other cars, like I think the Chevy S10, some of the other Chevy models. They have rear shoes. They have this exact same system. So the trick here, or what I was doing, I was putting a little bit of grease in the back where the shoes is gonna be sliding in the back. Here I'm using some small vice grips to pull the little spring and be able to put it on the hole on the shoe. Now, you have to be very patient here. Before you start putting the other shoe, I'm gonna use these vice grips, small vice grips, to they're gonna be basically holding the brake shoe on the left side. So when I'm putting the brake shoe on the right side,
Desertado con honor.
this one doesn't come out. You're gonna see right now. Here I'm also using a little pliers to pull that little spring and put it inside the brake shoe. The whole trick is the vice grips on the left side. That's what you have to do. If you don't have the vice grips, you need to have somebody holding those brake shoes so it doesn't slide.
See, on this side I put these vice grips to hold it, because usually when you do that, when you try to push this side, this side, it comes too far and it falls apart. So you have to, either somebody has to hold it on this side, or you can use something like this to put it in. And then from there we just have to put the adjuster.
Toda la banda así en vivo,
Date.
Bueno, yo pensaba que de otra manera.
Ahí, que se ve esto.
Here with the help of the little vice grip, again I'm gonna use it as a tool to pull this little spring, put it back in place. And that's all I wanted to show you guys. I helped somebody out there. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
And then from there, before you put the drum, you can adjust as much as you need this one.